Today on The Explainer, we're looking at a totally new way to build.
Okay, so what if building a real house was as simple as this?
We all know building a house can be a huge headache. Slow, complicated, tons of delays.
But what if there was a way to slash the time, the cost, and all that waste?
That's the idea behind the WINSOM Eco Nest. It's a real game changer.
Get this, just 1 month. That's from the day you order to the day it's delivered.
So how did they do it? Well, the secret is in their high-tech building block.
It's this all-in-one panel. It handles power, structure, insulation, everything. And check this out. They're just as fire-resistant and soundproof as a traditional brick wall.
Here's the key. Over 90% is built in a factory, super precise, before it even gets to you.
Then, putting it all together on site is just a simple 5-step process.
And boom, you get a totally finished, high-quality building ready to move in. So fast.
Okay, but does fast and easy mean you're stuck with a boring, boxy design?
Nope. You can go for this contemporary style with its clean lines and huge windows.
Or maybe you prefer a more classic look, with a traditional sloped roof.
There's even a European style that comes with a really cool built-in loft space. And you can customize almost everything. The facade, windows, finishes, you name it. This flexibility means the Eco Nest can seriously fit in just about anywhere.
It's totally at home in high-altitude cold regions, which is pretty cool.
And on the flip side, it's just as comfortable in the heat of the desert.
So people are using them for everything from fancy resorts to your local coffee shop.
So when you look at the numbers, it's just a faster, smarter, greener way to build.
It's all part of this bigger idea, right? Innovating for a zero-carbon future. It really all comes back to that super simple idea, just like a kid's toy.
So it really makes you think, if building wasn't so hard, what would you create?